Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. We are doing another packing vlog this week. A lot of you really enjoyed these packing vlogs, so I thought I would continue and share with you guys the process of us moving and getting settled into the new place. And we are moving in 1 week now, and we also have our wardrobes being delivered today and installed, so we are super excited about that. Mo is actually over there right now. He just went to let them in, and I want to go over there and see how it's going. The new apartment is actually really close to where we live right now, so it's really easy to go back and forth, and I love that we're still going to be in the same neighborhood because I love this area. And yeah, I'm really excited to see the wardrobes in progress, and I will show you guys once I get there. Guys, it is the next day, and this is what our wardrobes look like right now. They're not completely done yet, but we did get a lot of it done yesterday. We are waiting for the doors to come for this side of the wardrobe. We're going to have mirrored doors here. They were just out of stock when I ordered everything else, so they're coming in 2 days. And then this door over here was a little bit damaged on the side, so we have to send it back and they are replacing it, but everything else is pretty much in. So as I mentioned in my last video, we went with white glossy doors and black matte handles. So this is one of my first wardrobes, and I absolutely love that we have a little light here in the wardrobe, so once you open it up, it just goes on automatically, and it is powered with batteries, so there are no cables or anything, which is really amazing. And then on this side, this is basically replacing all of our cupboards, like our drawers that we have right now. So we have put drawers within this wardrobe, and again, there's going to come doors here, but I think this looks really pretty actually how it is. But I think it's going to be nice, like once there's a bunch of things in here, that we can close it and it just looks really clean and seamless. Yeah, so we have one set there, another set over here, and Mo got this really cool like jewelry organizer compartment kind of thing. He's already put some of his sunglasses in there. I don't know if I'm also going to use something like this. I have to see like once we move and how I do everything. But what's really cool about this pack system is that you can always add more, you know, drawers or units like this. They can go, you know, all the way up here, and you can really customize it even after you've put it in. So that's a really good thing. And then something else that's really cool is that we now have a whole section to put our shoes. So this section over here is a little bit less deep than this one because we have a door here that we want to fully be able to open up. So this actually fits so well. And then we have just a little nook here. I think I'm gonna put my rain boots here, or you know, like taller things. We could even put like a little basket with some umbrellas or something in there, you know, something tall. But yeah, this is what it looks like right now. We are also going to put my bags there, and here I have to figure out what to do with these because they are a little bit too tall for these nooks over here, so maybe we have to just move one slightly higher. But super happy with how this is looking so far. Hello guys, I am now in the car and I'm about to head into the city. I'm gonna meet a friend of mine and I think we're gonna go for a walk because the weather is quite nice today. It's not too cold and I haven't seen her in so long, so I'm really excited. We're gonna catch up, maybe get a tea as well and just have a nice walk. Got a tea. Nadine's also already got a coffee. And she's pregnant. She's so beautiful pregnant. Oh my goodness. The baby is due really soon. So pretty. I'm now back home and I'm gonna make us some dinner. I've been craving a veggie soup. There's just nothing better than a warm veggie soup in the fall, and it's pretty easy to make as well. So these are the ingredients that I'm gonna be using. I've got 1 leek, some cloves of garlic, carrots. This is some fresh parsley that I'm going to chop up and put in at the end. We also had a little bit of spinach left in the fridge, so I'm going to throw that in there. Some zucchini. This is celery root. That is what the outside looks like. You do have to peel this or cut the skin off. It tastes really nice in soups and it's actually really good for your digestion as well. Then we've also got some celery. So this is the top, this is the bottom. And then in my pot, I've already put some olive oil. And then here, this is some chopped tomatoes that we're gonna put in as well. And then of course, some water and veggie stock. Veggie soup is done. This looks so delicious. I topped it with some fresh parsley and lemon juice and of course some salt and pepper as well. And I like that it's kind of like chunky. It's a little bit minestrone inspired. And as always, I'll make sure to have the recipe down below in the description box if you guys want to make this as well. Good morning guys, it is the next day. I am laying on my yoga mat and I'm about to do a Melissa Woodhouse Pilates class, and I have not been able to do this as much as I would like in the last few weeks because we've been so busy, but when I am in the mood to do it, then it always feels so good. And Pilates is really nice because it's very low impact, so it's not too strenuous on your body, and right now that is the last thing that I need. You know, with moving and everything, I feel like that's already like it takes a toll on you, so I don't want to push my body and do things that are like not going to be comfortable in the long run. And actually haven't even been to my gym in probably 2 months or so, like, to body pump. Some of you guys might know that I love body pump, and I know I'm gonna get back into it, but right now it just hasn't been the time for that. Again, I just want to like take it easy on my body, you know, during this time where we have a lot of transitions going on and everything. So Pilates and yoga, it's been, so yeah, I've just been laying here and stretching a little bit, and I'm gonna get started now, and I'll see you guys once I'm done. I'm done with my workout. I've showered, we've had breakfast, and now I am going to get into some more packing. The workout, by the way, was amazing. I would highly recommend Melissa Woodhouse if you guys haven't tried her workouts yet. She does Pilates and yoga, and again, all very low impact, and I like that I can just do them from home. The thing with my body pump, which I forgot to mention, is that the classes that I normally go to are at 6:30 in the morning, which means I have to wake up at around 5:30, and that's just way too early for me right now because, like, as I mentioned, we have so many things going on and I need sleep. So I really enjoy workouts that I can do at my own time and at my own home. So yeah, I would highly recommend her. I will have her information in the description box. So the plan for today is to go through all of these drawers and just pack away everything that I'm not going to use for the next couple of days, including most of my fragrances as well. I think I'm probably just going to leave this one out and pack everything else away, my jewelry as well, and any like last things in my closets here. So I just really want to get myself organized before the weekend because we actually have some fun plans this weekend. So I want to get most of this done and then we can enjoy and relax a little bit. I'm now heading over to the new apartment because the doors that we were missing in our wardrobes are now here, and the installation guy is also here, so I have to go over and let them in. I'm gonna try to take a few of these bags with me as well. Mo is currently at a doctor's appointment, so I'm by myself, so I'm not gonna take too many things, probably just a few of these, and then yeah, I'll show you guys once we get to the apartment. I'm really excited to see the wardrobe now, like almost finished. Guys, the doors are in. How beautiful is that? I feel like it makes everything look so big, as mirrors do. We also have this door in now, which is amazing. I'm also filming on my phone right now because my vlogging camera battery is dead. So hopefully the quality is still good. Once we get all of our boxes of clothes inside and everything, I will show you guys how I organize the insides. I want to also clean the floor and get a nice carpet in here, maybe a little chair as well. We're also getting curtains in here as well. So those are still to come. And then I think with the carpet, maybe a little chair as well. I think it's just gonna tie everything together. But I'm so happy with how this is looking right now. I'm now back home and I'm going to sit down at my desk. I'm gonna make some tea and edit this video, so hopefully I can get it up for Sunday. I'm actually gonna film another vlog starting tomorrow. It's gonna be a weekend vlog, and I'm also gonna be cutting my hair, which I'm so excited for. I'm so ready for a good haircut, and Mo's gonna be doing it for me at home. So if you guys wanna see that, then check out next week's vlog. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Mwah. Bye guys.